All right, we made it. This is the Flagship Store Spirit Halloween. This is what is considered the first one that is open every year. And it's also one of the biggest because it is right down the street from the CEO headquarters that runs Spencer's and Spirit Halloween. So we're gonna go give you a walking tour, check out what's new, and check out what we got this year. Thank you. Egg Harbor Township Flagship Store. Here we go. So they got a like New York tunnel theme going on here. Got the Reaper. You gonna go through, dude? We got Squid Games. Look at so much. Stranger Things. Ouija board. This is new stuff here, I think. And look at this. We got red light, green light, Stranger Things, a whole setup here. I like this. Let's see. Oh. Her head moves and everything. This is great. We got the guard jackets here. And we got some Scream section over here. And we have Michael Myers section. And some Harry Potter. And you know, one of my favorite, Ghostbusters. We got a Ghostbusters section. We got Beetlejuice. We got to show Max one of his favorite sections. We got Killer Clowns from Outer Space. If you watch some of our older videos, he's done some cosplay of that. We got Chucky. And we got Friday 13th section over here. Addams Family. And then we got a whole Terrifier section this year. Check this out. Sunglasses there. Oh, this is cool. They got the Art Krispies cereal box here. Oh, it's like a wood display. That's pretty cool. All right, we'll look more at this transit car here. Let's step on this, see if it works. Is it gonna work? What you gonna do? Anything? Oh, she bends over backwards. Look out. Let's go in the transit car. Let's check this out. Watch your step. Got a Rat Man here. Electric cables. Scarecrow. Very cool setup in here, very cool. Let's go see. This says Fantastic Four merch is not in, it looks like. Not in yet. We got Scooby-Doo over here. And then over here we got some Super Mario Brothers and Pokemon. Alright, we got a whole SpongeBob Bikini Bottom section here. We got our Minions. Some Star Wars stuff here. This year's the 35th anniversary of the original Ninja Turtles being released. I thought maybe they might have some more here, but they do have some stuff here. Some more animatronic stuff here. Oh, we got some, since we are near the Jersey Shore, we do have some Jersey Shore apparel here. They have their own little section. Little Snooki glasses. We got some of the random Halloween outfits here. Let's go down here a little bit more, see what else we got. Did you see, hey, there's Nugget. Did you see the Killer Clown section over there? They have a little mini Killer Clown section over there, like near Stranger Things. Yeah, I knew you would want to see that. Some Vikings. Just going along the outside wall here. See what other props and stuff we have. Looks like we got a clown section over here. This is all evil clowns. So I have to tell Nugget this. They got an evil clown section too. He'll be happy with that. All right, this is your accessorize your look. This is for the ladies, I guess. Got some furry items over here. Furry leg warmers and furry masks. It's the first time I've really seen this though, these big helmets. Alright, let's see here. And we got wigs over here, and here we got the masks. We're actually going to see Texas Chainsaw Massacre re-released in the theaters tomorrow night. That's being re-released in August here. Some more clowns here. Got the Purge mask, Michael Myers, some Pennywise, Captain Spaulding. That's a cool one right there. That is cool. House of 1,000 Corpses. Dead by Daylight mask. Ooh, have to show Firewalks that. If you guys don't know, she streams on Monday nights, Dead by Daylight, on twitch.tv/nerdenthusiast. Supposedly they're making a Dead by Daylight movie is what the rumor is. I'll believe it when I see it. It's her Tombstone section. You blow up the core. Some outside stuff. There's some evil clown section over here as well, Nugget. We got a baby Michael. Look at this. Baby Michael she found. Perfect. Oh, and I also showed them. Over there, there's a Dead by Daylight mask. There's a Red Skull Scream Dead. It says Dead by Daylight on it. It's right up near the Michael Myers mask. All right, let's go take a walk over here, see what else we got. So we got a whole baby section. Horror baby is the way to go this year, apparently. And this is our kids section. They got some kids Terrifier stuff, which I don't know if the kids should be watching that because it is a brutal movie. I would not recommend for young kids. I have not shown this. My kids know who the Terrifier is, but they've never actually watched the movie. Just, a little too spicy. We got inflatable skibby toilet. I have to show Nugget this. He's gonna think this is hilarious. Oh, the Godzilla. Brian might like that. And we have Speaker Man. Gotta ask the kids to stay up on the trends here so I know what's what. We got a Fortnite section here. Still very popular, obviously. And we got a kids SpongeBob area right here as well, but got a bunch of accessories here. We got Spidey. And we got Venom here as well. And then, of course, we got to show off the Ghostbuster stuff. Stay Puffs here. I even rocked my Stay Puft shirt today, which I'll maybe show you in a little bit. Let's go check out over here some more kids stuff we got. We got our evil cheerleaders and zombie nurses. All right. We got some carnival clowns. Now, usually every year they do a big event at this location and it's massive. They showcase everything. It's the first place open. This year they did not do it. I've heard about 3 or 4 different reasons why that happened. I don't know which one was fact and which one wasn't. Some people said it was shipping error. Some people said it was just not being able to handle the crowds. So I don't know what the real reason they didn't do a massive event this year, but hopefully next year they'll do a VIP event and we will be here to showcase that for sure. Let's take a look at the other side of the animatronics over here. Got your accessories here. All right, we have our head case Harry here. We gotta push the button. It says push button. I don't know if this works. Let's see. Push the button.
Knives and Trojan juggernaut. Heavy joy, twisted and bright. Then feel the sting and endless fright to satisfy our carved delights.
Let's take a look over here. We now have Twisted Grandma. I'm assuming she, oh, there she goes. Head twist around. Oh!
The blinding of my bones coming to trap you in while you're sleeping.
And over here we have Sinister Strawman.
Those pestering crows will not stay around after this.
Whoa, whoa, that goes real big. Jeez. That goes like 12 foot in the air. Oh my gosh. I thought it was just going to jump out in front, man. That thing goes big. Nugget, what do you got? What do we find? Oh, is it what is it, a blow up? What is that?
No, it's a bobblehead.
Oh, it's a bobblehead. Look at this. I found this for you. Skibbity Toilet Man.
You should get it.
And then we got, see what we got here.
So
Trick or Treat Pete.
it doesn't do anything. You have to put candy in its mouth.
Oh, so like eats candy?
You put candy in its mouth and then it dispenses the candy.
All right, and over here we have Night Owl. Let's see what Night Owl does. See where, oh. Whoa, his wings flap. Pretty cool. That's a big one though. This takes up a lot of space. Wow.
I don't want that spider.
Why? What's it do? Jumping. It's a jumping spider. Whoa, there he goes. Very cool. All right, and I think the last section we didn't get to was the home decor. So let me show you this right here. We got Bullseye. It's pretty cool. And let's see what we got over here in the home decor. In case you need your soap.
Look what I found here.
Oh, a massive popcorn gun. Wow.
The other one is like a really cheap gun for $30.
This is a massive one.
This is $130.
Oh my gosh.
The smaller one was $30. I saw some that were $70.
So this is your Hogwarts section here. Got some Hogwarts here. What do we got? Let's open it up, find out. Oh, it's a little treasure chest there. Got our ghost section. We got some home decor signs here. And over here, we got our little potion area, I guess you want to call it. Oh, I see an area I like to check out here. I'm a big, you know me, I'm a big Haunted Mansion fan. So let's see what Haunted Mansion stuff they have. They got a couple things here, very cool. That is the goal to do one of our themes. This year we're doing a horror hockey theme at our house. So, but in the future I do want to do a Haunted Mansion theme. So, but this year's Halloween we are doing horror Haunted Mansion, which I will have video for you guys in the future. BryMax Brothers exclusive. And we got Hocus Pocus section over here. All right, very cool. And what do we find? What do we find? Little ghost decor. And what's this?
They're for trap with the leaves.
Oh, the leaves trap. This is like the OG stuff right here.
I wanted to show you this.
Uh-oh, what else are we gonna see?
I was probably concentrating on it.
Oh, I was just showing everyone this section here of all the haunted Halloween, haunted mansion stuff. Very cool. All right, so that is a little glance this year of Spirit Halloween at the Flagship store. Thank you guys for hanging out with us, and we'll have more Halloween stuff coming soon.